Do I look okay in the camera? Hi guys, I'm Abigail Pajaroja and today I'm gonna show you how to eat Wotsits, yeah? Wotsits. You can buy it in Tesco, 53p, yeah? It's so cheap guys and it's so delicious, yes? Now first, let me open this, yeah? With fillings. When you open it with fillings, yeah? And then the next one, smell it first, yeah? Smell it, feel like this, yeah? Oh, yes. Guys, did you follow me? Oh my gosh, my saliva is just... Okay, the next step is... See this? And then first, before you swallow it, take a little bite of it like this one, yeah? Oh my god. What's my name? Oh, I forgot my name already. You should try this, guys. I really appreciate you if you try this one. It's just 53p, guys. If you tried it in your first bite, oh my god, ooh la la. And then the second bite, you will experience heaven. Close it. What did you do?